Hey, what's up, Zilliqa Holders? Zilliqa Holders, this is an emergency update for all of you. You know what's the emergency? The emergency is that, my brother, you can see here for last 7 days change occur 1.57% increase now, but 24-hour change occur, my friend. You can see a minus 4.34%. The price is very badly decreased now, but again, in last 1 hour, you can see they again starting moving upward now. So what's the reason? To sometimes they fails down, sometimes they take a jump, and my friends, don't do this mistake in the same time, otherwise you completely lost now. So please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of videos. ABS channel will guide you, so kindly subscribe this channel, my brother. If we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, then we understand, my brother, to really in upcoming time there is a chance I predicate this coin. I share my opinion, so kindly subscribe this channel before I start video, my brother. This time Zilliqa, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, you can see, my brother, is completely in the lost. You know what's the main reason to this coin is in the lost? Because my brother, from last 7 days short time investor, they are starting very badly fails down. So therefore you can say, my brother, they are starting selling. So exactly, my friend, after a fail, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump like that. So therefore, you know, my friend, after jump they also face down. So I know, my brothers, to after this fail they take a very huge jump, and a huge jump now. And if you remember, the last 1 hour change occur will be positive now, so it's mean, my brothers, to they already start a jump now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kind of holder, you need to hold it. Don't see, my friend, the short jump, short fail. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now, just and only at the end of month. So thanks for watching, Zilliqa Holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.